Hi there. Only 10 days are left for the typing test. I hope you have read the notice. So from today, I'm starting 10-day typing tip series. हर एक दिन I'll be sharing one practical tip that can actually help you increase your speed. ठीक है? So tip 1 would be कि mostly candidates they do what? They spend most of their time practicing long paragraphs only. ठीक है? So I just want you to do one single thing before every practice session you have. Spend 5 to 10 minutes typing only the most common English words like the, then, before, when, and, against. क्योंकि ये मोस्ट रिपीटेड होते हैं और हर किसी थीम का पैराग्राफ हो या कुछ भी हो हर एक चीज़ में रिपीट होंगे. इससे क्या होएगा, आप जब इनको प्रैक्टिस करोगे आपका ओवरऑल टाइपिंग जो होएगी वो स्मूदर हो जाएगी. ठीक है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस इम्प्रूव होएगा एंड ग्रेजुअली योर स्पीड ऑल्सो स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग. So from today, don't just practice more, practice smarter. This was typing tip 1. I'll be back tomorrow with another practical tip. Until then, keep practicing and all the very best.